Would you fill in the dates on those for me, please, ma'am? All right. Mr. Downs, in cause number 24, well, let's see, what counts are we going on? Count one only?
We're on count one only on
All right, let me get that pulled up properly. Is that in both cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you. All right, in cause number 24, DCCR 0566, the state has elected to proceed on count one only. It alleges you committed the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from January 28th of 2023, and how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second to pull the other one up. Sorry, it takes a minute for me to pull it up the right way so I can make those notations. All right, in cause number 24, DCCR 1023, the state's also elected to proceed on count one only. It alleges you committed the third-degree felony offense of deadly conduct discharging a firearm from January 28th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And because you did what they charged you with? In each of these cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Lewis? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number one in each case.
No objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Downs is not competent?
No, Judge.
All right, Mr. Downs, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of those pleas. In cause number 24, DCCR 0566, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 24, DCCR 1023, also find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of deadly conduct discharging a firearm. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will also receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm handing you the trial court certification in each case that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Lewis. It's my understanding, is there already a federal sentence that you're serving?
It's already been sentenced.
So did they specifically
They said that it would run according to
concurrently?
concurrent.
Okay.
According to.
So I will also order that it's really up to the federal system on whether things run concurrently or not with state. I can say whatever I want, and they're going to do what they want. It's my understanding, though, that they've said that this will run concurrently or at the same time with your federal sentence, and so I will make sure that our judgments notate that as well, so that both of these will run concurrently with each other and the federal sentence. If there's something different that happens on that, that's up to them. Okay? All right, you can go back with the bailiff. Good luck to you, sir.
In the end, the defendant received 2 separate 6-year sentences for evading arrest and deadly conduct, but both were ordered to run concurrently. With the judge's ruling, his courtroom hearing came to a close.